Good morning, students. Today we'll start class Reptilia. The class name refers to their creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Latin means repair or reptum, that is to creep or to crawl. They are mostly terrestrial animals and their body is covered by dry and confined skin. Epidermal scales or scutes. They do not have external ear openings. Tympanum represent ear. Limbs, when present, are two pairs. Heart is usually three-chambered, but four-chambered in crocodiles. Reptiles are poikilotherms, means cold-blooded. Snakes and lizards shed their scales as skin cast. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous and development is direct. Example: Ceylon, that is turtle; Testudo tortoise; chameleon, that is a garden lizard; Qualitis, that is a garden lizard; Crocodilus, that is a crocodile; alligator; Hemidactylus, that is a wall lizard. Poisonous snakes: Naja, that is cobra; Bangarus, that is a krath; then Vipera, viper. Means all the snakes belongs to this class Reptilia. See the various examples of reptiles: snake, lizard, crocodile, tortoise, turtle. Now see the class apes, means the group of birds. The characteristic feature of apes are the presence of feather, and most of them can fly except flightless birds, ostrich, kiwi. They possess beak. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs generally have scales and are modified for walking, swimming, or clasping the tree branches. Skin is dry without gland, except the oil glands at the base of the tail. Endoskeleton is fully ossified, means bony, and the long bones are hollow with air cavities, that is pneumatic, which helps to provide less weight to the birds so they can fly easily in the air. The digestive tract of birds has additional chambers. The crop and gizzard heart is completely four-chambered. They are warm-blooded, homeothermous, like us animals. They are able to maintain a constant body temperature. Respiration is by lungs. Air sacs connected to lungs supplement respiration. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. They are oviparous, means egg laying, and development is direct. See the examples: Corvus, that is crow; Colombo, pigeon, means pigeon; then Pasticula, that is a parrot; Struthio, that is ostrich; Pavov, peacock; Appendidites, that is a penguin; Neophorn, that is vulture. Now see the class Mammalia. They are found in variety of habitats: polar ice caps, deserts, mountains, forests, grasslands, and dark caves. Some of them have adapted to fly or live in water. The most unique mammalian characteristic is the presence of milk producing glands, that is, the mammary glands, by which the young ones are nourished. They have two pairs of limbs adapted for walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, or flying. The skin of Mammal is unique in possessing hairs. External ear or pinnae are present. Different types of teeth are present in the jaw. Heart is four-chambered. They are homeothermous, means warm-blooded. Respiration is by lungs. Sexes are separate, and fertilization is internal. They are viviparous with few exceptions, and development is direct. Viviparous means they give rise birth to young baby. Examples: some of the mammals, primitive mammals, are oviparous like Ornithorhynchus, that is a platypus. Viviparous, Macropus kangaroo. Pteropus, that is a flying fox. Camelus, that is camel. Macaca, that is a monkey. Rattus, rat. Canis, dog. Felis, cat. Elephas, elephant. Equus, horse. Delphinus, that is a common dolphin. Balanoptera, that is a blue whale. Panthera tigris, that is a tiger. Panthera leo, lion. So all these are the example of mammalia. The salient distinguishing feature of all phyla under animal kingdom is comprehensively given. See the examples: elephant, kangaroo, cow, bat, rat, mongoose, monkey, rabbit, dolphin, and whale. Blue whale is also mammal.